But why? I don't even know about me become president of Ghana.
Is it?
Moon person Babe president of Ghana.
No, what did they can make president do?
Baumia.
But somebody revise self, we know they see nothing. Where he go be president.
See.
And that next year, me I dey tell people if Baumia win, you go for no see.
No. See.
People go start it.
Nah, you see, sometimes people have to be fair. How do you people expect? Mahama, I dey vote give Mahama. But this very election where they come, I don't vote give her.
You don't vote give her.
The reason I don't vote give Mahama be say he cannot come and take the shame. That be my point. Me, I know say whether with the seats or not, Mahama go dey fine.
He go dey fine.
He dey fine. It's not like he go dey fine. He dey fine. He needs to go better school, so he dey drive better refs. He gets mansions. I don't want that man make he come take the shame.
Make he can take the shame.
The mess they've created. In fact,
but no, if he can't take him, you go try fix him.
No, he can't do anything.
You don't go fit do anything.
He's here. He be trapped. 2024 election be trapped. He be trapped. The way the MPP messed up staffs. I don't know why Mahama. I don't know why you go make just 4 years can't spoil your reputation. The 2024 election, Mahama go win them. That one day I know. But it go spoil Mahama reputation. Where it go affect in hometown, it go affect the party, it go affect. If Mahama wins that election, it be bad luck. If Mahama for win 2024 election, it be bad luck. Because quickly, Ghanaians go forget the mess MPP created. Now, cement bag be 100. What do they call start to be 120 per one bag? Per one bag. Do you think when Mahama comes, he can reduce staffs that cement, a bag of cement will become 60 cities or 50 cities? Under the term of Mahama in 2024 going, a bag of cement will reach 200 cities. And that will be the biggest catastrophe ever. So I wonder why those around Mahama are advising him to come. Leave Baumia to eat his mess.
Okay.
Me, that's what.
So you get make Baumia win.
I know people Ghanaians who voted give MPP. So if they've created the mess, who do you think we should? If them not there for eat the mess, they don't go fix them. They fix it. If I talk so we for leave them so they go fix them and then they lie.
Right now I beat Mahama to say they need like 10 years, then you go carry face.
That be why they tell him say, so Mahama, you get your money. The money you get even if you no get money, sir. Ghana for who we know be people waiting for pity we. If we talk say we no like you. Where we go call Adudi. We call Adudi come. Now Adudi they give out they show us shege. Adudi not like he show we shege. Better shege.
We they show we too. You continue the show. We they show we the we they feel the pepper.
From now to 2024.
2024, you be saying go clap.
From now to 2024. Yeah, you go where you go clap. So my little advice is say, if you be NDC person, don't take 2024 election too serious. Take say if you will win, it's a loss.
It's a loss.
It's a loss though. It's a big loss.
Because it be true, mom.
Unless the pepper enter Ghanaians that my eye proper.
Where them go?
Where it no be election way they go take bring NDC.
It be true.
It be my own decision then. The president for resign. Talk say the thing na yan say make NDC come. That be when we go know say yes, they've agreed, said they've messed up the system. But if you take election, go overthrow them. Right this then it can't be like say and I also buy a car but meanwhile no be am. So me that's my point. Please. Anywhere Mahama day, make you minister tell him say 2024 election.
Make you relax.
Make you go Maldives. Make you carry some bitches go there.
Or more.
Wifey, fetch me. But
make carry bitches go.
Make you carry bitches go there. Make carry bitches go Maldives. Make you go jump for there.
For go spend some. Go relax no chilling.
Go relax no chilling. Ghana. Ghana for I can't just say. Hey, yeah, my boy. No.
It be true. Like it be true. It be serious.
When Mahama they build market, then they do infrastructures that develop better ones.
Also,
we talk say,
you know they do.
You know like how
what we dey talk. You know they do
like
anything. You know they.
Right now, why is it that he is like Ghanaians have or suddenly agree that he's the one coming? I am an NDC person. I go declare for here, but me, I will vote against Mahama. I don't want make it come take this shame. But you see, you go better say, Baumia go continue.
If I continue, show you Pepe. If you show me, I go over you.
Oh, I go over you.
People go pass out, give am.
No, like we for pass out. When we pass out, we go learn sense.
People go die.
No.
Oh, no. But this is even serious.
Yeah. That be how you for day. Mahama for no come.